Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the paint tool and scrap mechanic. This is going to be unlocked from the beginning, so just go to the craft bot, which you can make inside of the mechanic station, and here what you'll need to do is gather some metal block level 2s, glass blocks, and component kits. These are pretty easy to get, and once you get them, go ahead and craft it, and now what you'll need to have is some paint ammo. Paint ammo can be crafted from some pigment flowers, which you can find in the starting biome, which are going to be these green oranges flowers, and craft some paint ammo from it. And now to use it, pick it into your hotbars, and when you press and hold down Q, you can choose any color that you want. And now to use it, just go ahead and left click and drag to paint a bigger area. This is going to only take one paint ammo if you do this. And if you don't like the color, you can go ahead and right and hold down the button and delete it like this. You can also paint individually by just clicking. And this is pretty much all how to use it. So, thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.